Installing your Brondell Swash Ecoseat S101 is quick and easy. Follow these steps to install and use your Swash. First, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve on the wall to stop the flow of water to the toilet. Flush your toilet, holding down the handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve beneath the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Connect the provided T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Insert rubber washer into the T-valve. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. To mount your Swash seat, place the mounting plate over the bolt holes on your toilet. Place adjustable brackets inside the mounting plate and align with the toilet seat bolt holes in your toilet. Slide the mounting bolts through the mounting plate holes and the toilet. Secure the bolts with the provided washers and nuts, but leave the bolts loose enough to allow the seat position to be adjusted later. Connect elbow side of the bidet hose to the Swash's cold water inlet. Tighten by hand, no tools required. Connect other end of the bidet hose to the T-valve. Place your Swash flat onto the toilet in front of the mounting plate. Slide your Swash toward the tank onto the mounting plate until secure. To adjust the position of the seat, slide the seat backwards or forward for the best fit and tighten the nuts under the toilet. If your Swash is not aligned with the toilet bowl, adjust the position accordingly using the top mounting bracket. Once your Swash is properly mounted, turn the shutoff valve to the on position slowly. Leave them on and check for leaks after 5 minutes. Congratulations! You are done installing your Swash Ecoseat 101.